Shutdown family, what's going on? It's Bert and Jay, and today we are in Davie, Florida at the beautiful Living Sculpture Sanctuary, shutting it down for Arthur and Jillian. We are going to get this party popping because I'm doing the music for the ceremony, cocktail hour, and the reception. We've also installed 16 up lights throughout this space, so it's going to be very beautiful. It's going to set a nice vibe, and once it's time to party, you already know how we get down. Stay tuned.